There is something about mountains that makes you feel both small and limitless at the same time. For my second ever hike, we wanted to make it extra special, so we invited some friends from our church community to join us on an adventure to Mount Ulap in Itogon, Benguet. We hit the road early and made a quick stop in Pampanga for breakfast. If you're planning this trip, you might want to grab some pasalubing here, but I'd suggest waiting until you reach Baguio for some more options, unless you're after tubig, which is best bought here. After the long drive, we finally arrived at Ampucao Barangay Hall for a quick briefing. One thing that made this experience even more special was that many of the other joiners were also Christians. So before setting off, we all gathered for a short prayer. And a tip if you're planning to hike here, bring a flashlight. Most of the roads and trails aren't lit, and you don't want to rely on just your phone light.
Yung puno ko mo
The trail starts off with a steep incline, definitely a wake-up call for our legs. The first part of the trek is mostly uphill, so be ready for a leg workout.
Artista yarn. Lo.
Ayoko na.
But as we climbed up higher, the fatigue started to fade when the sky slowly lit up. The sight of the sun rising behind the mountains, mist rolling over the hills, and birds singing in the distance made every step worth it.
Ito po yung immersion namin.
Oh.
nag-guide kayo?
Opo. For 20 days.
Cool.
Anong course po?
Ba't na ganyan ka na lang
Hindi
lang?
naabutan natin.
Dati ganun na lang ako.
Kaya nga eh.
Welcome to Jollibee. Welcome to Jollibee.
Na. Ano?
As we continued, the cold wind made the trek more bearable. The incline eventually gave way to more flat and rolling paths, making it easier to take in the scenery.
Nagawa mo. Your mystic force.
Ganda ng ano? Ganda ng karta. Di ba tamuin naman? Ba't ang
This was a much-needed breath of fresh air, literally. Most of us work desk jobs, stuck in the same corner for hours every day, so being surrounded by nature felt like the perfect reset. There were moments when I thought maybe I should have just stayed in bed, but honestly, hikes like this aren't just for physical endurance. They're also a mental reset. The cool breeze, fresh air, and peaceful silence of the mountains made all the effort worth it.
Tara. Let's go. Muna sila.
Maganda tayo mag-slide.
After hours of trekking, we finally reached the summit of Mount Ulap. To be honest, compared to my previous hike at Mount Pico del Oro, the peak itself wasn't as jaw-dropping as I expected. But what really made this hike unforgettable was the journey getting here. Every turn looked like a painting, and the feeling of being surrounded by nothing but sky and mountains was indescribable. For me, descending is always the hardest part. My knees aren't the strongest. Before heading down, we make a quick stop at local makeshift stores called 7-Eleven and Mini-Stop. Not the real ones, but just as convenient, where we grabbed home-cooked meals, snacks, and drinks.
Arte.
Descent. Pero ba't ang cute? Char.
Mas makag na yan. No.
The good news? The descent from the peak is only 2 kilometers. The bad news? It started pouring.
Ayun, kaya naman.
Hindi naman.
Tingin mo na kayo guys, nag-aayos na lang kagad. Ingat po, ingat.
The trail quickly turned slippery, and a few of us even slipped along the way.
Memories.
We also came across locals carrying sacks of rice and supplies up the mountain, making it look so easy, while we struggled just carrying ourselves down. As we got closer to the end, we crossed a few bridges, some a bit tricky due to the wet ground, but all part of the adventure.
A few more steps. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Finally, after hours of trekking, we reached the base. And how else would we celebrate? By treating ourselves to Baguio's iconic strawberry taho, the perfect reward for a hike well done. Hiking Mount Ulap was tough, refreshing, and rewarding all at once. Whether you're a first-time hiker or someone looking for a weekend escape, this mountain is a great way to experience the beauty of Benguet's landscapes. Hope you enjoyed the journey. See you in the next vlog.